to show you guys how to install your Aliexpress exhaust on a 450SS in 3 simple steps for under $60.
You're lying or you're lying. One of...
Now the whole time I was thinking to myself, how does this actually fit? Because I kept trying to move it around and make it fit right, but it just didn't fit correctly the way that I wanted it to. Let me say hi. Because it's a universal exhaust, it didn't fit correctly. So we did what we could. I'm gonna have to get another exhaust, but in the meantime, this will do. Let's get on with the video. Looks like this heat shield comes off, so we're gonna take that off first. All right, this is gonna be a number 5. Comes off here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Slides off. It looks like I'm doing that one next. Here and here. And that one right there. Did a size check. That is a 13 right there. Down here is a 13 as well. So it doesn't snap back in place. It's kind of bent metal here. You kind of see how that looks in there. This one right here, you see a little hook. It's hooked on right there. See? Oh, this is actually quite heavy. Let's check for weight. It's kind of a pain to just hold it with one hand. So that's everything we're removing. So that is, wow, 8 pounds right there. Wow, 3.6 kilograms, 127 ounces. I've never weighed my exhaust before, so this is pretty interesting to me. So, wow, less than 2 pounds.
Light as a feather, stiff as a board. Light as a feather, stiff as a board. Light as a feather, stiff as a board.
So I forgot, this would have definitely been 8 pounds because of the heat shield there, so. All right, good to know. So this one here comes with the baffle on. You can see in here. So that's how it looks. Very, very light. I didn't think it was gonna be this color though, honestly. I thought it was gonna be more light. Those Aliexpress ads, man. I don't know.
I don't know about that.
All right, before I do more tightening here, I got this on with a 10mm, and it's still able to be moved around. But I can position this one. I keep trying to fit this on, but it's not really looking right. As much as I try, it always hits here, or it won't match up here, because look at the bracket. Look how far that is. So I guess per user varies, but for my particular setup, I'm not sure, because I believe those slots are supposed to fit here, so it doesn't go past this edge here, so that it doesn't cause an exhaust leak. So this tightens everything down and it shrinks here. Tie that up right there. So is this supposed to stick out like that? I guess it's not that bad, huh? I don't ride with a passenger often, so I guess that's okay. It'd be nice to have that thing out of the way though. Let me get this on over here. This one here, I'm gonna try to seat these clamps right at the edge, like that. That one's already on it. Just gotta tighten that up now. And that's it. Do a wiggle check. Yeah, that's on there pretty tight. Wish I could just cut that off. I might be able to with the angle grinder. But yeah, we'll go ahead and put all these tools back here, and then we do a sound check. I'm gonna try to get some safety wire on this thing. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. All right, Emery, we're gonna try the new exhaust. You ready? All right, here we go. Do you like it?
Yeah, I've never done it before.
Is it quiet or is it loud?
It's quiet.
Wow, all right. I'm gonna let you guys hear it without the microphone. Wow, it's actually kind of loud, huh? Yeah, let's go see it. Don't touch it, okay? another exhaust video with this pipe on now, you guys. But yeah, let's just take a quick little look around. All right, Emery, say like, comment, subscribe. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye.
Okay, press the red button.